Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites, a clear dollar budget and non-negotiable specs like GPU and RAM. Once done, create accounts on chosen marketplaces and enable 2FA so payments are secure. Then search listings using filters for brand, condition, and location. Contact sellers immediately for missing details. Make sure to request serial numbers and photos. This prevents surprises. If a price looks off, ask for a bundle or proof of purchase. You should move fast but verify everything. You now verify the build deeply. Ask the seller for benchmarks, BIOS screenshots, and serial numbers. Once done, cross-check warranty and market value. Make an offer, starting about 5 to 15% below asking, and use comparable listings to justify it. After agreeing on price, arrange insured, trackable shipping, and confirm packaging standards so components aren't damaged. Make sure to get a written return window and keep all messages. These are your dispute records if anything arrives misrepresented. You complete the purchase by inspecting the PC immediately. Power on, confirm post, check GPU detection, RAM capacity, and drive health. Once satisfied, reinstall or update the OS and drivers, then run stress tests and temperature monitoring to prove stability. If anything fails, document failures with photos and video, contact the seller, and open a dispute before the return deadline. A key troubleshooting tip: if boot or GPU issues appear, reseat cables and GPU first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.